Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Centene and we are still tracking this simple count to the upside in a wave 1 up, a wave 2, a third wave up, now a fourth wave that could in reality complete at any moment. And in this fourth wave, it could have already completed. I do see at least one more low, to be honest, and I will talk about that. And I also want to mention that we could expect, so we have two scenarios in this case. We have the idea that we have A down here, B up, and then the C wave down, where we may have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, and we could even attack the 50% retracement area. But it is also possible that this A wave bottomed here, we had the B wave up, and we complete the C wave in a swift move, when maybe with the next low it's done, it's complete, we completed the fourth wave, we would be still within the support zone, and we would reverse to a new all-time high in the fifth wave. And at the moment the ideal target is the $136.5. This would be one of the ideal targets for a fifth wave. It can quite vary, but overall it is still over 400% returns in profit from this current level. And I did have a picture here and I wanted to talk about this in the shorter time frame. And I still didn't get it here. So a couple of days ago, after posting the previous video, the first video on this chart, I talked about the possibility to head directly lower, and I adjusted the count since, and I even made another post yesterday, but we followed through with this 4-5, and now yesterday I made another post pointing out that we maybe should expect even another 4-5 pattern, and by the looks of it, we have a three-wave move to the upside. I find it quite likely that we still head lower at the moment. But keep in mind, this could end up being the last low. Now, an ideal extension of this fifth wave would be around $24.7, around that area anyway. And with this remove now, I do need to say it could be our last low in this fourth wave. It could be that we should expect follow-up if this A wave bottomed here, this B wave topped here, and the C wave started here. And then the first level of resistance that I would expect, or the first resistance zone, would be between $30.5 up to around $38. So a break above that would be a first indication that we may have started the fifth wave to the upside. But I wanted to warn you that we are in the support zone. So this is the very long time frame support zone, and a reversal from here, at least some sort of reversal from this level, it is quite likely. And we have these levels between $44 and down to around $18 that provide a better risk reward ratio for a trade setup, much better than most normal trades, especially where you would enter into a breakout pattern. And there is a chance that this may be the end of it and we head directly higher. So overall, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. On the other side, I will also keep you updated on this chart and the others that I'm covering, and I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.